in our playtime, girl. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now, yeah.
Hi butterfly, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm LYDIA Stanley, fondly called Mrs. M, and if you're not new, thank you so much butterfly for coming back to my video. In today's video, I'm getting ready for a really quick date night, so it's like a quick get ready with me with my hair. I didn't show you my makeup, just my hair. This hair is from ElfinHair and it's their 26-inch headband wig, deep wave. The waves are so beautiful. There's no single product in this hair. Took me 0.2 seconds to put it on my head because it's a headband wig. Like, you know that little black dress they say every girl needs in her closet? A headband wig as beautiful as this one from ElfinHair is definitely a must-have in every girl's closet. So check out the video, please. Hang out with me, you know, it's chit-chatty, so hang out with me. And also the links to this hair, in case you want to check it out for yourself, is in the description box. They also gave me a special discount code or a coupon code that when you apply while buying this wig, for instance, you know, you get $39 worth of products, like you know, wig cap, pins. There's a lot, like you see it in the video. Let me not spoil it for you. Just keep on watching to see all you get if you use my discount code. And thank you so much ElfinHair for sending me your beautiful hair and for sponsoring this video. Without further much talking, let's get into it, okay? We are going to be giving away this. Everything I'm going to be showing in this bag is worth $39, but as a butterfly or anyone that wants to use their code, like if you're shopping on their website, you're getting a wig, of course, and then after you get that wig, you can put in my code to get this in. You obviously have to use my discount code or my coupon code to be able to get what I'm going to be showing you. But if you don't use my coupon code, you just get just the wig, and this is just valid for 1 month, none other than that, just 1 month, and then the coupon code goes away. So if you come across this video a little bit after 1 month, I'm sorry, it's a lot of stuff. Obviously it comes in this like elfin dust bag. Birds are talking by my window, can you hear? This is so hilarious to me because I don't think I'm ever going to put this, I don't know, this. You also get this brush. Now this brush I've been wanting to get because I have not seen anywhere that sells it. It's perfect for natural hair. This whole install is perfect for natural hair because I'm not going to use one single heat on my hair. But then, like, it basically expands with the way your hair stretches. Like, it will expand with it and it won't cut your hair. You know how some combs are very rigid and they cut your hair? This one just opens up to accommodate your hair. It's very good for detangling natural hair is what I know. So you get that. You also get this beautiful ElfinHair purse, and in here you get this. Now I'm excited for this because I normally would use this. Let me go ahead and open this. I have the one that is not a headband, but this one is in a headband form. You just wear it on your head and it's a heatless curler. So perfect for my any wig at all. Oh, it's the same type. It's the same type that I have. I thought it would be like a headband. It's still the same thing, and then it has this scrunchies to hold it in place. I'll link a vlog where I showed that how to use this. I'll link it. So you'll be getting this if you use my tail comb, and this is one of the good tail combs. Like, it's very sturdy, very there's a word I'm looking for. It's just very strong. The tail comb is tailing, yeah. And there's a lot more in the purse, okay? You get wig caps of course, and then I think this is just a regular introduction to ElfinHair. You have everything, do's and don'ts, how to care for your wig. This I'm very excited about is a wig grip. It's not my shade, but you definitely get it in your this thing. It's not my shade. It's like you wear it on your head and you know your wig does not slip, and it comes in a headband form, which is very convenient. You also get this clip. It's very sparkly. This would be nice for those people that like to put sparkly things in their hair. Open up, Jerry. Bling bling, Elfin. And then there's this beautiful lash here. I might wear this tonight for date night actually, because of how scanty it is, because I'm getting ready for date night. You also have this edge brush. Have you been keeping count of all the stuff you'll be getting if you use my code? Like, you have pretty much everything you need to be a pro wig installer. This hairbrush that comes with this particular side if you're using those like glues to spread it, and this thing, I don't know what it is. The main attraction is the wig, and this is the box it came in. It's such a pretty, there's like a bow here. It's just a pretty packaging, and it's just the wig. Now this wig is a 26 inch deep wave headband wig. Ooh, oh, that's so beautiful. Wow. Headband wigs are just the way to go, honestly. Like, they are just the way to go because they save you so much time in installing it. I'm literally preparing for date night. It's already 5 p.m. and I'll be ready before 6 because I'm using a headband wig. I'm so excited. So of course there are 4 combs in total. So once you put this on your head, it's well secured, and it also comes with this band. This is like the regular Velcro. Now this hair is perfect just out of the box. Like, wow, like, this is their deep wave headband wig, 26 inches. It is so long, and the wave is really defined. I don't need to do anything to this wig at all. Okay, I'm very excited. Let's take care of my hair. I might just speed through that, but I'll show you what I'm using. I'll use this olive oil leave-in conditioner to make just the edges. I'm focusing on just these edges to make them very like flat or lay back a bit. Then I'll use a bit of got2b glue to sleek it down more. So just these two, this Eco Style, I'm mixing these two. This one just to make this lighter, and then I'm going to be using this brush to do like my edges and all of that. But
2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. One time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. One time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times won't you be mine? This love thing can take time. Yeah. be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side.
So I'm done just slicking my hair and making it very flat. I'm going to use this and tie both on my baby hair and the front hair, like here, so it can lay even flatter. Then I'll go do my makeup, but I'll take it off like some minutes in. Okay, stay tuned for the transformation. This is my look. Now that we're done with, I'm done with my makeup, we're just about to leave for date night and cut this out to make it as tight as I can with it. Just what I'll put this front one, yes, so that it can help me. Okay, actually, let me just put all of them. So I'm putting in the combs in the hair. Oh, it feels so secure. It feels so secure. Without even putting these straps. But I'm just going to take this now and just join it behind. Just adjust it to how tight you want your hair to be. And that's it, that's my install. I think to make this big, we can comb it. Can get bigger. Oh, this hair is so beautiful. Wow. So the curls are dissipating with this. That's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Wow. Told you, if you want it to get bigger, you just have to comb it or brush it. So that's it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching me install this beautiful headband wig from ElfinHair. Remember all the goodies I showed you, you can get that with my code. This hair is so soft, like so super soft, like I don't even know what to say at all. So it gets right on my bum. It's so highly, you know, advise you to get this. Like, you cannot go wrong with a headband wig. I didn't even need to make. So my loves, that completes the video. This hair is super incredible. It is so soft. It took 0.2 seconds to install. Like, I just needed to slick my natural hair and that was it. I would highly recommend ElfinHair to you, and I'll recommend you to definitely try out this headband wig. You would love. I look like I put in so much more effort than it is. Like, I look like I put in so much more effort. The hair is soft, the curls are very beautiful, and yeah, every girl, I'll say that everywhere, every girl needs a headband wig. You need it for those days when even when your cornrows are old, you can just do edges and wear the wig up to this point. Well, that completes the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.